Hello everyone, this is Belamia Walks. In this video, we went to a place called Llangollen in Wales. It's situated by the River Dee. We are only here for a day, so we walk around the town center, watch the river rapids, and walk along the riverside. There are so many cafes and restaurants along the way. There's also people doing rafting, canoeing, and plenty of wildlife to watch if you want to sit by and be entertained by them. We are only here for a day, as I said, so we tried to see as much as we can. We went uphill after this to see Castle Dinasbran. I think it's an old castle ruins, so we want to see that one. So finish this video to see what it's like. Thank you very much for watching. This is the direction we're following. We're passing some farmers' fields, so the sheep and their babies, and also beautiful field of foxgloves. Just have to make sure you close every gate you pass by. So if you're still there, come on, let's go for an adventure. Thank you for watching.